Bump testing a meter, essentially, if you have a 4-gas meter, it's got obviously four sensors in it. Out of those 4 sensors, 3 of them, if they fail, will fail at 0. What the bump test does, prior to using it, you show it a gas that will cause the meter to register. It doesn't have to go into alarm, but at least give you a register of an amount on the sensor to indicate that it is in fact functioning. Flammability, carbon monoxide, or any other toxic gas, hydrogen sulfide, and the like will fail at 0. The oxygen sensor continues to work. Normally, do it prior to entering to do your air monitoring, and also you should do it coming out to make sure the sensors haven't failed while you've been inside. This is a safety factor. So if you're inside, there's a flammable atmosphere or toxic atmosphere, and if it's not registering, by doing this prior to going in, you at least have an idea that the sensors are working.